Hey there, future Depop superstars! Welcome to a world where your wardrobe can become your wallet. Imagine turning those clothes you no longer wear into cash, all while connecting with a community that shares your passion for fashion. Tired of your amazing clothes gathering dust? We all have those pieces we once loved, but now just take up space. Instead of letting them sit idle, why not give them a new life and make some money in the process? Let's turn that clutter into cash. Depop makes it easy to sell your pre-loved items and earn some extra income. It's a win-win situation. Welcome to Depop, the hottest social shopping app around. It's not just a marketplace, it's a vibrant community where fashion meets technology. Depop is like a giant online thrift store but way cooler. Imagine the thrill of thrifting but from the comfort of your home. You can find unique pieces that you won't see anywhere else. It's where you can buy and sell unique, stylish items, especially vintage and Y2K fashion. Whether you're looking for that perfect retro piece or something trendy, Depop has it all. Think of it as Instagram meets eBay, where you can express your style and connect with a community of fashion lovers. Share your fashion finds, follow your favorite sellers, and get inspired by the latest trends. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting, Depop is your oyster. The platform is user-friendly and designed to help you succeed, no matter your experience level. With millions of active users, you have a huge potential market for your pre-loved treasures. Your items can reach fashion enthusiasts from all over the world, increasing your chances of making a sale. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Join the Depop community today and start turning your fashion into fortune. Happy selling! First things first, you need to create your Depop account. Download the app, sign up, and choose a catchy username. Remember, your username is your brand, so make it memorable. Next, it's time to build your profile. Think of it as your shop window. Use a bright, clear profile picture. A smiling selfie always works. Write a short and sweet bio that tells people about you and what you sell. Now for the fun part, listing your items. High-quality photos are crucial. Use natural light and a clean background. Showcase your items from different angles. Think like a magazine stylist. Your description should be clear, concise, and engaging. Highlight key features like brand, size, condition, and any unique details. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Section 4. Pricing for success. Finding the sweet spot. Pricing can be tricky. It's a delicate balance between attracting buyers and ensuring you get a fair return for your items. Research similar items on Depop to get an idea of the going rate. Look at what other sellers are pricing their items at and how quickly those items are selling. This will give you a benchmark to start with. Factor in the item's condition, brand, and demand. Items in excellent condition or from popular brands can command higher prices. Conversely, items with wear and tear or lesser-known brands might need to be priced lower to sell. It's better to start with a slightly lower price to attract buyers. A lower starting price can generate interest and lead to quicker sales. You can always adjust the price later based on the response you get. Don't be afraid to negotiate, but know your worth. Buyers often expect to haggle, so be prepared for some back and forth. However, set a minimum price in your mind that you won't go below. Be prepared to haggle a little, but don't undervalue your items. It's important to stand firm on your pricing if you believe the item is worth it. Remember, the goal is to make a sale that benefits both you and the buyer. Remember, you're running a business. Treat your Depop store with the same seriousness and professionalism as any other business. This means pricing your items thoughtfully, negotiating smartly, and always keeping an eye on market trends. Section 5. Customer is king, providing stellar service on Depop. In this section, we'll explore how to elevate your customer service game to ensure your buyers have an exceptional experience. Congratulations, you've made your first sale. This is a significant milestone, but it's just the beginning. The real challenge is to keep your customers happy and coming back for more. Now it's time to wow your customers with excellent service. Start by packaging your items with care. A well-packaged item not only ensures it arrives safely, but also shows your customers that you value their purchase. Package your items with care and add a personal touch, like a handwritten thank you note. This small gesture can make a big difference, making your customers feel appreciated and special. Respond to messages promptly and be helpful and friendly. Quick and courteous communication can set you apart from other sellers and build trust with your customers. Address any concerns or issues with patience and understanding. Even if a problem arises, How you handle it can turn a potentially negative experience into a positive one. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews, which can boost your sales. Positive feedback not only enhances your reputation but also attracts new buyers to your store.